I just want to say goodbye to this bell because I'm gonna pull it out because I don't want to hear this anymore. You hear that? It's the last time I'm gonna hear that. I'm pulling it out. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, ding ding. I'm really not happy right now. Right the first time. I gotta take all this out. Just get rid of this stupid bug. Like, why can't you just be like buzzer off, right? Like, say goodbye. How shall I do it? I'm just thinking of how I'm gonna remove this. Should I do it nicely or should I just rip it out? Not really that important. I'll just chop it. It's probably good enough. So I fixed it. It still beeps on the parking assist, but it doesn't beep about the seatbelt. Oh. Okay. So we're good. Look, turn off. Where's the beeping? Where's the beeping? What if I turn the headlights on? No beeping. Nothing. No beeping. Let's push the button. No beeping.